I see fellow activists advocating against the TikTok ban. You state that this is a place for you to earn money, and this is a valid reason. I would like to ask you a personal question. What do you say about people like me whose lives have been threatened, whose security has been threatened on TikTok by planting a device or an entity on my TikTok account, on my phone, or on any device that I handle for that matter? Tell me what you think about people like me. How do you want to hold TikTok accountable at the same time that you decide for it to be your place of work? Because I'm assuming that you're interested in the security and safety of people like me. I agree with you that there is a lot of good on TikTok, but it is also a dangerous place. Or do you just want to continue making money, earning a living, while people like me constantly have to watch their backs? I fled a place that I thought was dangerous. But for months, TikTok would not tell me whose information it was that they planted on my account. I asked them about the phone number that was attached to my account, which when I was looking for the data on my account, received my personal data that I was seeking to have transferred. My TikTok account had my social security number, my address, and some other personal information that is not supposed to be public. And they hadn't told me when I joined TikTok that this is what they were going to do on my account. For months, they refused to decouple that number from my account. That's why I said TikTok is dangerous. It is a homeland security issue. And don't get me wrong, I totally understand where you're coming from, but I would like to know how you're going to make TikTok safe for people like me. Every day when I leave my home, I am afraid because I feel I have somebody watching me.